crazy shit is happening here, guys, and a fire evacuation program. All of the guys, they're evacuated today. Have a look. Say hi to my vlog, man. I'll be recording all the shit today. Let's see, man, what happens. There's a fire alarm. There's a little fire alarm in Uvini, and we're gonna record this stuff. We're recording the stuff. What's happening? We gotta come and say hi to my vlog, man.
Nah, I'm good, bro.
Nah, bruh? You wanna say hi? We'll record people's reaction and talk to everyone today.
Okay.
Hey, Will, man, how are you doing
You
today?
good at that?
Good bro.
All right, I'll record everyone and come back to you, all right?
Yeah.
Another
You-
fun evacuation.
You build some opinion, all right? Till then.
Right, so
Paji, say hi to my vlog. Hello. Fire evacuation vlog, man. Yeah. So we're gonna see ਆਪਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਚਾਣਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਹੁਣ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਦੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਬੈਟਮੈਨ ਨੂੰ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੋਣਾ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਾ ਪੈਣਾ ਹੈ।
ਲਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਫੜਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਕੀ